everyone, I got this Godrej Aer plug refill set, so let's check it out. This one is a set of 2 refill, MRP is 199 and we got it from Amazon for 179. So this 20 ml refill cost us rupees 90 each. And it comes in 2 fragrance options, Violet Bloom and Oasis Rose Blossom. The fragrance quality is quite good. So I have this old Godrej Aer machine with me to use. Simply remove the cap, fit the refill into the machine and now it's ready to use. Here are 3 modes: off, low and high. On high mode, within 5 minutes the room fills with fragrance, and then switch it to low mode. After half an hour, just turn it off. The fragrance still remain in the room. The pack claim that this refill can last up to 120 days on low mode with daily usage of 4 hours. And in reality, it actually does last that long. On high mode, the fragrance becomes a bit too strong, so low mode is better. Overall, it's very convenient, effective room freshener. Compared to gel, pocket or automatic spray, this is a better option. Definitely worth try. Subscribe for more. Bye-bye.